Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to send a GIF on Discord using the PC app with the latest update. If you've ever wanted to add a little extra emotion and fun to your conversations, sending a GIF is one of the easiest and most entertaining ways to do it. Let's get started step by step. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Once it loads, head over to the chat where you want to send the GIF. This could be a private message with a friend, a small group server, or even a larger community server. Just click into the text bar the way you normally would when sending a message. Now, look just to the right side of the message box, and you'll see the GIF icon. This is your gateway to an endless library of moving images. When you click on it, a window will appear showing you all kinds of categories, from trending reactions to popular celebrations and funny moments. You can scroll through them and explore until something catches your eye. If you're looking for something specific, you don't need to scroll forever. At the top of the window, there's a search bar. Type in any word or phrase that matches the vibe you're going for. For example, typing in words like excited, angry, or celebration will instantly bring up tons of GIFs that fit your mood perfectly. This makes it super easy to capture exactly what you want to say without having to type it out. Once you've found the one that feels just right, all you need to do is click on it. Instantly, it will appear in your chat and send to the person or group you're talking with. No need for downloading or dragging files. It's simple and seamless. And there you have it. Sending a GIF on Discord's PC app is quick, engaging, and a great way to express yourself in conversations. Thanks for watching.